Hi friends, how are you today? In this video I will tell you about a website that you will get money from creating an account if you create an account on this website. Yes friends, you get money for creating your account on this website. You may be wondering how to get money to create an account on the website, so you can see for yourself. I will show you in this video. Many people are working and earning money on this website. You can also earn money and benefit from this website. I direct you guys to this website. Get this website, Bluehost, official website, Bluehost web hosting. You guys can see on the screen here is the website I was talking about that also earns money for creating an account. Up to 70% off on hosting for WordPress website and stories. Free domain, free SSL, free CDN, money back guarantee. Search your discount before these saving end. Let the experts build you the site of your dreams. Short on time, we're happy to create a beautiful professional website for you. Simply get in touch with our expert for a free. Every great website needs a great name. Everything your website needs from start up to success. You guys now go down a bit and see where affiliate is written and click on affiliate. Products, program, support, company, program, WordPress, affiliates. Affiliate program, join our affiliate team. You will get $65 for each qualified sign up referral, and our affiliate support team will be happy to help provide any guidance or tips needed to help you grow. Are you a non-impact DDS affiliate partner? So see this, you guys can see on the screen, this website is saying that we will give so much money to create an account. Creating an account is also very easy. You just have to click on join now, and you have to take complete information and create your account. When you create your account, the website will tell you after some time that we allow you to work with us. When this website accepts your account, you people will also get money to create your account. Why should I join? Here's what our affiliate says. We love the Bluehost affiliate program because we feel like they are partners in our success. They will really help us maximize our communication by giving us great tips and suggestions that have brought our earnings to a whole new level. Sign up fast for free. In just 5 minutes you will have a unique tracking code. Then you can look through our wide selection of banners and ads to find the ones that complement your website. Get start earning money. Get $65 for each qualified referral. There's no limit to how much you can earn once you put those banners and ads on your site, and our affiliate support team are always here to give personalized tips and advice. So you guys create your account on this and earn money from this website. How can you people withdraw your money from this website? Then you can withdraw money through PayPal. If not handled by PayPal, you can also withdraw money through your bank account. So you people may not know about this website before. If you know about this website from this video, then you must create your account on it and earn money. If you guys like this video of mine, please like and share it.